Today we will learn how to make a basic mandala design created with Ellipse in Illustrator. Take the Ellipse tool or press L button and drag it along with Alt plus Hold to duplicate it. Bring both the ellipses together, same as shown above, and cut them with the help of Pathfinder. Now make a duplicate of it and reduce its size by pressing and holding Shift to transform. Now again make a duplicate of it and increase its size by pressing and holding Shift to transform. If you want, you can also fill colors in it. Group all the layers by pressing Ctrl plus G, and then select the repeat object. If you want, you can place it far away from each other. You can also do add or less if you want. Now duplicate it as well and transform it into a bigger size. Now use the Ellipse tool to create a half moon, and again create two small ellipses in it. Now select everything and click on the repeat object. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel, and see you again in the next video. If you are not getting in English, no problem. GraphiX Studio is now available in Hindi. Subscribe to the GraphiX Studio Hindi YouTube channel.